OneSource. Microsoft Office 365. OneSource offers to customers data backup and recovery, cloud computing, as well as other tailored IT services. We understand that every business is different, that's why we offer custom packages to every client. We know that every business's needs are completely different from the next, so we offer 100% custom packages for any business size or budget. As our managed services include round-the-clock monitoring of your computers and network to help prevent problems. OneSource doesn't charge you more when your network is down or a server fails. Our flat rate fee covers all of that whenever you need it done. Part of what makes our managed services so exceptional is that we are always available, regardless of time or holiday. For more details, visit our website and our social media link.